Dr. Zahn. Yeah. What are these seeds here? Those aren't seeds, dude. Those are plants. That's the sporophyte generation right there. Shut up. What seeds did you plant? Uh, I'm not sure. Radishes, I think. That's really stupid. You really trying to grow radishes indoors and then stick them outside? Why don't just plant them in place? I'm not even sure they're actually radishes, dude. Why not? I've just kind of stress planted. I forgot. What do you mean? You know they make labels for that. You could have labeled them like a smart person. Look, times are kind of stressful right now, and yeah, I'm sure they are.